Welcome back, everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram app when it's not opening on your mobile device. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. So, here's the situation. When I try to open Instagram, the app crashes after just a few seconds. Sometimes, I even see an error message saying something went wrong with Instagram. The app closed due to a bug. Please update after the developer provides a fix. If you're facing a similar problem, don't worry. Let's go through some simple steps to resolve this issue. Step 1. Restart your device first. Try restarting your device. A quick reboot can often solve many problems. I'm restarting mine now, so let's check if Instagram works after the reboot. Unfortunately, it's still crashing. No worries. Let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Update your app next. Ensure that you have the latest version of Instagram. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Instagram and tap on it from the results. Check if there's an update available. If you see an update button, go ahead and tap it. I've updated my app, so let's see if it works now. Great news! Instagram is now functioning perfectly. If you don't see an update right away, give it a few hours. It might take some time to roll out. Bonus step. Uninstall and reinstall if Instagram still isn't opening. Try uninstalling and then reinstalling the app. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Instagram not opening on your device. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more tips.